Good day and welcome to Famcy Empire Online Training. My name is Mercy and I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful gele, like how to tie it on yourself. It's tied. So material needed, we need our fabric, which is actually fabric, then little pieces, you can use bias for that, then pin. So what the measurement for the gele is like 80-20. So one hand will be longer than the one and the other one will be short. So you create your pleat, see, then you put it on your head. Having done that, you arrange the pleat so that it will be smooth. Then you use your neck to hold it. You know, there is no one to hold it for you. If there's someone to hold it, fine, but if there is no one, you can actually tie it by yourself without anybody holding it for you. So you adjust the pleat, you make sure is aligned, like it's smooth. See the way I'm adjusting it, because that is the main thing on gele. Your base must be smooth and aligned. So once you are done with that, you tie it, you pack everything. See where I packed everything, right? You tie it. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updates on our coming videos. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. So you tie it and make it tight. So once you finish like that, you pick your gele, then you roll it. Make sure the rolling is tight. You roll it tightly till you get to the center of the gele. You place it on your head to be sure is at the center, is at where you want the ruffle to start. So once you confirm that, you pick your rope, then you tie. You tie it firmly. Having done that, you place it on your head, then you pin down. You pin down to the gele, to the base, I mean, pin it down. So once you finish pinning it down, you then form your ruffle. See, you pick the tip of the head. You see the way I did it there, you bring it to the front. See what I did, right? Then you pick your pin and use it to pin it down. Can you see it? The ruffle has formed. Then you pick your gele up and then form your ruffle. Your ruffle depends on how you want it. You can just create anything. It doesn't have to align. You see what I'm doing? Just ruffle it with your hand like that, and then you ruffle it to the back. While you are making it, you'll be adjusting it. I lose it again to form the ruffle. So once you're satisfied, you just hold it to the back. You pack everything. You see the way I did it. So you now come back and adjust with your hand. And use pin to pin it down. Just adjust to your taste. Just it. And our gele is ready to go to any occasion. Simple and beautiful. And this is the back. It's ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.